My last few videos have shown my development of 3D printed pneumatic engines. As a basic measure of the performance of each design, I've measured their RPM when supplied with 14 litres of air at 20 psi. After testing my previous design at 9,500 RPM, I set myself the challenge of designing an engine to exceed 10,000 RPM. This video shows the engine design to overcome that challenge. Enabling this engine to reach a higher RPM than the previous design is a shorter crankshaft offset. This decreases the distance travelled by the piston per rotation, therefore decreasing the speed of the piston. Comparing these two engines, the previous inline 4 has higher piston speeds than the new engine while at the same RPM. Higher piston speeds require more energy to be spent accelerating and decelerating the mass of the piston. Although decreasing the crankshaft offset lowers piston speeds, it decreases the amount of torque imparted on the crankshaft by the force of the piston. So, the new engine produces less torque per cylinder than the previous design. To account for this, the new engine has twice the number of cylinders. Although this accounts for the decrease in torque per cylinder, the new engine has almost twice as many moving parts. This creates more frictional loss, and as a result, this new design is less efficient at lower RPMs. Now that you know the intention of this design, let's have a look at the engine. To allow this engine to cope with a higher RPM, the valve heads are printed in polycarbonate. This prevents the moving parts contained within them, which are made of PLA, from welding themselves to the valve head. Also, a torque limiter is installed at the rear of the engine. This part is contained within the housing and serves to protect the crankshaft. It's designed to brake before the crankshaft does. This means I can be less picky with what I choose to drive off of the engine. And now, to see if the engine will fulfill its goal, I'll test it under the same conditions as the previous engines. Achieving over 13,000 RPM with 14 litres of air at 20 psi, this engine is by far my highest revving engine. It displaces 30 cubic centimetres of air per rotation, so at 13,700 RPM, it displaces 7 litres of air per second. Thank you for watching. I very much enjoyed making this engine and seeing the results of the intention of the design be confirmed by the tests. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe.